I think Santa has one more present for you out here.
Huh?
I think Santa left another present out here.
Another present? Whoa! The big present.
Why don't you come see what it is?
Yes. Yeah. Da-da-da.
What is it?
It's a writing that you drive.
Is that what you really wanted?
Yeah. Let's see how it works.
Whoa!
Let me go forward.
Move the... Stop, Jackson. Move the gear shift. Right next to your... Right here. Move this and then it'll make you go forward. Wait. Let me get out of the way. Okay. Now you can go forward. Push it up. Woo!
Oh, I think this is a two thing that...
What does that button do?
A button does...
I eat losers for breakfast.
The buttons make noises. The buttons make noises. This thing goes backwards. I can't
Jackson.
drive.
Yes, talk.
Do you like that present?
Yeah. This is the most that I want.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.